Hello students, welcome back in another session of 12 Computer Science, Paper 2. So let us proceed or let us continue Chapter 1, Introduction and Organization of 8085 Microprocessor, Session 10. Student, in this video we are going to solve the problem based on flag register in 8085. Already in previous session, we have seen flag register in 8085 microprocessor, or when the flag is set or reset according to the answer by ALU. In 8085 there are 5 flags are sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag. And also we have seen bit status of each flag and when it is set or reset after the ALU operation. So, see first problem based on this flag register. See, the flag register of 8085 microprocessor contains the data F5H. Interpret its meaning. First read properly the given question. The flag register. Which word is there? Flag register means given the value is flag value. So flag register of 8085 microprocessor contains the data F5H. H means hexadecimal. Given number is hexadecimal. It indicates. Interprets its meaning. Means in F5 is the value of flag register after the ALU operation. Whatever operation we don't know. But value is given directly flag register. Then first, what is the first step? First step, this given value means F5H is converted into hexadecimal. Then what is the value? What is the number? Hexadecimal number of F1111. And what is the hexadecimal number of 5? 0101. So total F5 is 11110101. This is the hexadecimal number of F5. Now these hexadecimal value put in the bit register, bit status of flag register in 8085. Now you know flag status in 8085. See, this is the flag status, the bit status and flag register. In bit status means at 0th location carry flag. Say D1 not defined. Second location parity flag. D3 not defined. D4 auxiliary carry flag is there. D5 not defined. 6th location 0 flag and 7th location sign flag. Now in this flag register or in this flag register status put the value F5 means see here 11110101. This is the given value of in flag register. Now one thing is remember, in flag register in each column or whatever, 1 means set, 0 means reset. If in that column 1 is there, that flag is set, 0 is there, that flag is reset. First always remember, if 1 is there in that column, then set, that flag is set. If 0 is there, then flag is reset. Clear? This first thing is clear. Then write the reason why it is set or why it is reset. Now see, in this flag register status, write here 1 below the flag register, write here like this 11110101. Okay. Now see, first in sign flag is set or reset? Set. Because in that column which value is there? 1 value is there. So sign flag is set. Means that the result is negative. If 1 is there at D7 bit, then given result is or number is sign number or result is negative. If bit B7 is 0, then number will be considered as positive number. But at D7 position 1 is there, so number is negative, result is negative, that is given number is sign number. Understood, student? Now next is 0 flag. Now at 0 flag 1 is there, means it is set or reset? Set, because 1 means set. So 0 flag is set. Then what is the reason? After the execution of arithmetic and logical operation. This word is very important. After the execution of arithmetic and logical operation, the result is 0. That is, accumulator content is 0. Result is 0 means after the ALU operation, total answer becomes 0. At that time, 0 flag is set. Otherwise, reset. Means in given problem, 0 flag is set because after ALU operation, result is 0. Now next, auxiliary carry flag. Auxiliary carry flag is also set because 1 is there in that column. So why this flag is set? Because during the arithmetic operation, at that time, carry from bit D3 to D4. So auxiliary carry flag is set. Means during the arithmetic operation, carry from bit D3 to D4. So auxiliary carry flag is set. Now next is parity flag. Parity flag is also set. Means P equal to 1, that is parity flag is set. Means the result stored in accumulator contains the even parity. Even parity means even number of ones stored in accumulator. So parity flag is set. Parity means number of ones present in the accumulator. But in the given flag or in accumulator, even number of ones there. So parity flag is set. And last one is carry flag. Carry flag is set because in carry flag 1 is there also. So carry flag is set means if there is an overflow out of bit 7, means after D7 bit 1 is extra, means after 8 9 bit is created, so carry flag is set. Understood, student? Here 9 bit is created, already 8 bit is there, and if 9 bit is created at the calculated or at the during the arithmetic operation, execution of arithmetic operation, means left side it is also known as most significant bit. Means if most significant bit 1 is created, carry is created, at that time carry flag is set. Understood, student? How flag is set or reset? Now see one more example. This is another example based on 8085 flag register. In this given problem, first calculate the accumulator value and depends upon that accumulator value, either flag is set or reset. So see the problem. The accumulator contains data 04H. Register D contains 08H. What will be contents of flags on execution of add D instruction? Means here accumulator value given. Which value? 04H. And D value is given 08H. Both value converted into hexadecimal number. Then what will be the content of flag? Means in this problem, first calculate the instruction, execute the instruction. After execution the instruction, what is the content of flag? That will be calculated. Means depends upon that set or reset conditions. Now see, accumulator contains 04H. 04 hexadecimal value is 00000100. D contains 08H, then 0000 and 1000. This is the value of 08H. Now add D. Add D means accumulator, the content of accumulator added with the content of D register and store the result in accumulator. See here, arrow In which side? Accumulator side. So this is the formula of add D. Means addition of accumulator content and the addition of D register content, and after execution of addition, add means addition, result will be stored in accumulator. Now see here, execution of add D 03, write the hexadecimal value, sorry here 04H 00000100 and 08H, here also write 08 instead of 07, instead of 03 write here 04, instead of 07 write here 08, then plus 0000 and 1000. This is the value of 08. Now addition of this 04 and 08 using binary rule, means addition of binary addition. See, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Now what is the result? 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. This value stored where? Stored in accumulator. See, then accumulator stored 0 CH, means what is the value of 1100 is C. Okay, so accumulator contains 0 C. This is the result of accumulator after addition. Student, listen properly. This value is not for flag contents. This value is result of after the addition. Now we will calculate or we will set or reset the value depends upon this 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. See here, at the addition time, here bit D3 or D4, carry bit is forward from D3 to D4? No. So parity flag, sorry, auxiliary carry flag is reset. Or here one more thing is, see here 9 bit is not generated, mean overflow 7 bit. 9 bit is not generated, means carry flag is set or reset? Reset. Now see how to calculate the flag contents. See, continue. Now accumulator contains 0 CH. Okay, after addition, which value result is stored in accumulator? So 0 CH. So depends upon this result. See here, first carry flag is 0. Why 0? Because 9 bit is not created during the execution of ALU operation. So carry flag is reset. So here at carry flag column, write here 0. This is a flag register, this is bit register. Okay, and here, see here 0 will be right. Okay, now see next, parity flag. Parity flag, when it is reset or set, if even number of ones in accumulator contains, then parity flag is set. If odd number of ones, then parity flag is reset. Means in this result, see here, in accumulator result, see here, in accumulator result 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 0 0. Means here even number of ones or odd number of ones? Even number of ones. So parity flag is set. See, parity flag is set because even number of ones in accumulator contains. Now see next is auxiliary carry flag. Auxiliary carry flag means carry bit from D3 to D4, means at the during arithmetic and logical operation. But in this logical operation, not carry from bit D3 to D4. So here carry flag is also reset. Next is 0 flag is reset. 0 flag is reset. Zero flag is reset means after performing an arithmetic or logical operation, if accumulator means certain result is non-zero, at that time zero flag is reset, otherwise it is set. Means in accumulator contains all 0 instead of this 0 C, here all 0 is there, then at that time 0 flag is set. But in accumulator contains result becomes non-zero, so 0 flag is reset. So here write 0. Reset means 0, set means 1. So here 0 flag is reset, so write here 0. Now last is sign flag. Sign flag. Sign flag is when set or reset. If at bit D7 1 is there, then sign flag is set. But if 0 is there, then sign flag is reset. See, in accumulator result at 7th position 0 or 1 is there? 0 is there. So sign flag is reset. So write in sign column 0 will be right. Okay, understood student? How this flag register or flag contents will be calculated after the accumulator result, depends on this accumulator result. Now write the reason for each. See, here sign flag is reset means the result is positive, means unsigned number. Okay, result is positive means it is unsigned number. Then 0 flag is reset means in that 0 flag 0 is there, so 0 flag is reset, that means the result is non-zero after the execution of arithmetic and logical operation. Then auxiliary carry flag is also reset, means in that column 0 is there, so auxiliary carry flag is reset, that means there is no carry from bit D3 to D4. Remember, no carry from bit D3 to D4 during arithmetic operation. So auxiliary carry flag is reset. Then parity flag is set. Why parity flag is set? Because in accumulator contains even number of 1 is there. So parity flag is set. And last one is carry flag is reset. Why carry flag is reset? Because there is no carry from most significant bit. Most significant bit means left side bit is called as most significant bit, means after D7 means D8 means 9, D7 means 8 bit is there. Total is 8 bit means 9 bit is generated, then carry flag is set bit. But in this problem at the during arithmetic and logical operation no carry is generated at 9th position, so carry flag is reset. Understood student? How to calculate? First in this type, when while problem is asking in board paper, first execute the given instruction and store that result in accumulator automatically. Then depends upon that accumulator value, set the status of flag register. But in this type of question very rarely asked in board paper, but directly given the value of flag register, at that time directly converted into hexadecimal value and that value put in the flag register status. Now see one more example, like the flag register of 8085 microprocessor contains data 93H. Interpret its meaning. In this type, most probably in this type question is asked in board paper, means directly given the value of flag register and interpret its meaning, means directly converted that value in hexadecimal, that hexadecimal value put in the flag register column and whether it is set or reset and give the reason for set or reset. Now see, first accumulator means flag register value contains the data 93. 93 converted into hexadecimal. What is the hexadecimal value of 9 is 1001 and 3 is 0011. So this value put in this flag register column. See here, this is the bit status D0 to D7. Then flag register, same here, at 0 position carry flag, D1 not defined, at second position parity flag, D3 not defined, fourth position auxiliary carry flag. This position is fixed in 8085 microprocessor. Always remember, don't write misplace this position of flags. If misplace this flag position, then totally wrong or 0 marks will be given. So remember this position of each flag. Okay. So at D6 position 0 flag is there and D7 position sign flag is there. Now this 93 means this hexadecimal value write in this column below the flag register, means 1001 and 0011. Now write the reason for each flag when it is set or reset. Now see, first is carry flag is set. Why set? Because there is carry from most significant bit during the execution of arithmetic operation. Okay, during the execution of arithmetic operation means 9th bit is created at the execution of ALU operation. So carry flag is set. Now second is parity flag is reset. See, in parity column 0 is there, so parity flag is reset. In carry column 1 is there, so carry flag is set. So parity flag is reset means result stored in accumulator odd number of ones. Understood? Odd number of ones stored in accumulator means result stored in accumulator odd number of ones is there, so parity flag is reset. Now next is auxiliary carry flag. In auxiliary carry flag, which value is there? 1 or 0? 1. 1 means set. Okay. Now see, auxiliary carry flag is also set. This means that there is carry from bit D3 to D4. Carry from bit D3 to D4 during arithmetic operation. So auxiliary carry flag is set. Now next is at 0 flag position, which value is there? 0. 0 means reset. Means 0 flag is reset. Means that the result is non-zero after the execution of arithmetic and logical operation. Means after the execution of arithmetic and logical operation, the result becomes non-zero. So 0 flag is reset. And last one is sign flag. Sign flag. In sign flag column, which value is there? 1. 1 means set or reset? Set. Then sign flag is set means result is negative. That is, given number is sign number. Understood, student? Again see, if in that column 1 is there or 0 is there, then that flag is set or reset. And then write the reason for set or reset. Understood, student? Now end of this session 10.